$10. So we're going to go inside and see what is inside of the unit. Hopefully we hit a gold mine in the unit. So you know, I saw some pictures, saw some collectible toys and all of that. Let's see what we got in there.
I got it. Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Okay, let's. So Zeke is about to cut open the locks. He's got all the power, and I think Zeke's got it. No, that's it. That's it. Only one side. Only one side. Take it out. Yeah. Okay. This is the unit. It's nothing too much in there, but I told you I saw some memorabilia toys, and those are collectible ones. So let's see what we got in there. We're not going to take too much time in here. So not going to take too much time in here at all. So let's put those on the side. So let me get this. A nice jacket here. It says Pure American Power for NASCAR. So that's going to worth some money. Also, this is a very nice hockey jersey here. So that's nice. So we have this box, but it seems empty. Yeah, but it's a nice box. I think this is fake. So, but this is a very nice box. We might be able to get like $10 for this. So it's an empty box here. Okay, this is garbage. These are some collectible toys. I don't know the price of this, but I know all this is worth something. Maybe I'll say $10 for this easily. So, and we have a lot of those. So let's put those here. $10 for each of those.
$10 is crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you.
See,
those are like vintage. So those be like $100. Those are vintage, so they'll be like $100.
Well, I'm just giving you the list of pricing for it. Let's see this. Oh, this that's the cassette player. Now they worth something because they no longer make cassette players now. So you can see this. This is a Sony cassette player. I'm going to check the pricing and I'm going to put it on the video. I think this should go for like $100 easily.
Yeah, so, all these still for $100 because they're old. Old stuff goes for more money.
It's another nice sweater. Some of this clothing are going to be donated. So let's see. I think these are mostly t-shirts, nice t-shirts. Mostly clothing items here because we don't want to spend too much time here. So,
all right, pause.
No worries. So, this is a nice coat right here. It's a Chicago Prevention Private Security coat. That is worth about $50 on eBay. So we're going to be moving very quickly. So this is another one. This is another one. So
pause real quick.
This is another nice jacket here. This is another nice jacket. Mostly some toys here. But we bought this for $10. You know, at least we're gonna make easily like $500-600 to $800 on this unit. So if not more than that, I'm just you know, like all these are, you know, these are vintage memorabilia.
So it'll be maybe like 80 to 100 each.
You can see this. All of this worth a lot of money. So this is a collector.
That was probably maybe before Grandpa was born.
So, and you look at all of this, you know.
When's the last time you seen someone ride one of those?
I'm going to be coming up with the prices for this. When we get to our office, we check all the prices and we're going to put it on the video. So, stay tuned for that. You can see all of this, the what, good money. So,
this person really likes clowns.
yeah, you can see all of this clown memorabilia. So some of this clothing though, they're going to Goodwill. We have all this probably going to the garbage, you know.
Yeah. Actually, no, you can sell that.
Yeah, but
That's a hot plate. You can probably sell that. That one too.
all these are good toys right here. Though this will sell well. So I said you're not going to take too much time here. It's like a brand new shoe. It's a brand new shoe. So let me see, what brand is this? Laura Scott. This is a Laura Scott shoe, size 9. If you know Laura Scott, let me know in the comment section. Actually, it's in the box, Laura Scott. Let me know if this is worth something. Laura Scott as a designer. I've not heard of it, so. So we're going to load all of this up quickly. We're not going to spend too much time here. But I know for $10 you can't go wrong. So we have some old phones here. This is actually nice. Let me see. It's just an analog phone. This is not a digital one. So, but it's going to be worth something. So we check how much that is online. And then you also have a parade shoe here. So this is the other pair of the parade shoe. See what we can get for that. This is a new bag, but I don't know what kind of bag this is. So this is a nice Adidas jacket here. This is probably worth about $40-50. So there we go. Let's go. Let's go. More memorabilia, more collectible toys. This is a very, very good unit. I'm going to take my time. To get the prices for all of this. These have been collected by this owner over the years. And look at this. Look at this. So all of this have been collected over the years and they are worth quite a bit.
All right, let's take a pause to load all the stuff real quick.
So, we're going to pause the video up in the car and we'll be right back. Mostly clothes and some garbage stuff.
Yeah.
So put them back in the bag.
Recording. That. Recording.
Okay. Put on pause. Okay, so we have some nice set of memorabilia here. I'm not going to go through them all, but it seems they worth a lot. You can see some ornaments. So we're not going to be able to go through all of this because we try to get out of here. So,
Thanks.
but at least I'm looking at about a $200 box easily. So,
No, more, way more.
yeah, so all of this will be going on eBay, so I'm going to do the correct pricing for it. So,
Don't price it cheap. These are vintage. These are very vintage.
so we have Air Force One. Yeah, it's kind of beat up a little bit, but you can still get $20 for this. So
50.
it's a nice belt. So we have a microwave here. Okay, so we can get about $20-$30 for that. And you have this old cassette player with the CD player as well, with the speakers. So you're looking at about probably another $30 for those. So, you know, we bought this for $10. So definitely, you know, by my estimation, we're going to make about $2,000 on this unit when it's all said and done. So, you know, a lot of good stuff in here. We're not going to be able to pick up all of this stuff today, but we are going to get out this. I already created a space for this, and we can put some stuff in it in the car. So I think that's what we're going to be able to do. Car. Then some of the one we put in this, then we stock them all of in there, so we can collapse all the plastic together. So some of the things in the plastic we go in here when we get to the car. Okay, so let's go.